Well, this is 1:13. This is the aftermath of the big snow we had yesterday. I did a lot of plowing and shoveling. Did most of it. I still gotta have those there to keep those pain in the ass squirrels off the house. I don't trust them. Pretty sky, man. Wow. See all these mountains of snow everywhere. That dog is hungry, wants a sausage. Well, we're not having sausage tonight, although I wish we did. You see right behind that Toyota there, the big mound. Working on this last night. Actually, we had New Leaf Plowing did the main driveway, but I did the rest. Right where the Toyota is. At least the flights are working again. Yep. That big pile there, that was done by New Leaf Plowing. And yes, my good friend Tom from New Hampshire. Maybe there'll be a thunderhead. Well, wait 5 months, my good friend. You might see some in your backyard. Real thunderheads with plenty of cloud ground lighting and a lot of claps of thunder all set for you to videotape and upload and share it with me. How about that? Okay. Again, this is quite an incredible winter we're having. A lot of snow. Yeah, lots. Okay. Sister insists on keeping the Christmas decorations up a lot longer, as you can see. Pretty sky. Bye.